Hi YouTube friends, Dylan here with another art lesson. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw one of the most popular superheroes in the DC universe, Shazam. So get a pencil, a piece of paper, like this video, subscribe, and let's get started. We're going to draw Shazam flying in this direction, so we need to turn the paper sideways and start with a circle for the top of his head, about a quarter-size circle. And then we're going to draw his jawline, which is a little bit different than most of the jawlines we put. We've drawn jawlines a bunch of times in these videos. And remember to always draw lightly at first, so that when you make mistakes, you can erase them very easily. Okay, we're going to quickly define this side of his head. And then we need to draw his eyes. And his eyes will be these like small half dots. And then we need to put his eyebrows over them. And right here, this one will be straight and this one will be a little more detailed. And right here, on his straight eyebrow, we'll draw his nose, which is going to go like this, and a little small curve right here for the nostril. And then we'll draw his mouth. He's going to be, we'll make it straight, and then a curved line for the lower lip. And this line right here for his chin. We'll draw, beef. And then right here, we'll draw his ear. And then we'll draw his hair. And his hair is short and a little bit more plain. It's not curly in the top and front like Superman's, or really long like Aquaman's. It's shaped like this, just a C shape with a curve that goes like this, just like that. And then let's put his back of his neck. Then I'm going to color in his hair black with the side of my pencil. And it's going to go like this. And then right here, we're going to draw the base of his cape. Going to go right here, and then on the side of it we're going to draw like a sideways oval, because for the button. And then right below it there's this little rope. This is how he puts his cape on. Get the end of the rope. And then to make it look like rope, we got to put these curves around it. And then right here, we need to draw that part of his cape that goes behind his head. It's kind of like Martian Manhunter's cape. And the same thing with over here. Just like that. Okay, now we need to draw his lightning bolt logo on his chest. And his lightning bolt chest logo is nothing like the Flash's, because it starts out with 2 squares that move a little bit differently and a small little triangle at the bottom. And then you beef it up like this. Okay, and then right here on his chest, there's like a flap. His shirt kind of has like a flap that goes over his chest. So we just draw a upside down L shape and a little circle for the button. And now we need to draw his chest, which is going to go like this. And we'll draw the other side of it right here. And now we need to draw his lower chest. And then here's that part. And now we're going to put his, you could say belt, but it's really more of a sash right here. And to make it look like, you're going to make this end a slightly smaller and like this. And then right here, we'll draw his cape. One part of his cape. And now we need to draw his arms. Right here, we'll draw one straight line that goes like this. Then 2 half ovals. And then we'll do this one. This one's going to be bent back a little. It's going to go like that. Let's start with the front arm. So we'll draw the forearm, the bicep, and the back of it. And now we need to draw his fist. So we'll start with kind of a squarish shape. Now we need to draw each of the fingers. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And to make it look like his fingers folding, put a small line there. And here is his thumb. And then we need to draw these elements that are on his wrists. There's like 4 different pieces. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we got to do the similar thing on the back here. There's his forearm. Now we need to draw his wrist. They're like bracers. And they have, like I said, 4 pieces. So now let's draw his thumb, his palm right here, and now let's draw his fingers. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All like that. Okay, now let's get his legs. And like most of the times we've drawn superheroes, they have one leg being detailed and one leg being straight. So we'll start with the detailed leg. It's going to go like this, with a straight line and another straight line right here as well. His knee, and put a knee line right there. Get the back part of his knee. And then we need to draw his boot. And his boots were very more unique than Superman's and Batman's. They're like these, they have these sleeves. And then here's the actual boot itself. You're going to draw this diamond-like circular shape that goes like that. And now we go on to the detailed leg. So you're just going to draw the back side of the leg like this. It's going to curve like that. There's the sleeve. And then right here is where we put the boot. That's going to be sort of a triangle. And the calf of the boot. Okay, we finished his body. Now we got to draw his cape. The actual cape. So we'll draw one part here. Here's the stripe that goes like this. And we'll get the other part of the stripe. And his cape's not as long as Superman's. That's something you should remember. And we should get the other part of his cape. And then, to really finish off the cape, you draw this big kind of S shape that goes like this. And then, last but not least, we gotta draw the stripe. And then we'll get rid of some of the construction lines. We've got only a few of those. And his face in on his lightning bolt. And redefine his face a little bit. And there you go. That is Shazam. I hope you had fun drawing. Thanks for watching. Feel free to share this with your friends, and we'll see you next time. Bye.